Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these. Disregard the battery life. So you'll need to grab one of these, a SIM ejector. This comes provided with the device in a box. It's somewhere between the paperwork, and it is literally required for this. Now, alternatively, you can grab a paper clip, as long as it's not one of those coated in plastic, and straighten out one of the ends, and it should work basically as well as this. So anyway, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, right over here. You can see where the pin is holding right now. And once you push the pin in, the tray pops out. And you can take it out, and apparently I lied. There is only space for 2 different SIM cards and no SD card space. So that's a little bit of a shame. So just gonna place one of the SIM cards on the tray. There we go. And then insert it back into the device. Give it a second, and there we go. There is the pin for the SIM card. I'll confirm that. And the SIM card is obviously working. Otherwise, it wouldn't pop the pin for it. Now, unfortunately, there is no space for SD, so you can only insert SIM, and that is how you would do it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.